Good morning, guys. I'm glad you're all here. Thank you very much for joining me. Late last night, there was an earthquake along the Kermadec Island region. It was about 13 miles deep. This is caused by the subduction of the Pacific Plate going underneath the Indo-Australian Plate. There was damage reported on the Raoul Island. USGS gave it an intensity level of 8, which means panel walls thrown out of frames, fall of walls, monuments, chimneys, sand and mud blowholes would have ejected. Drivers of automobiles disturbed. There was probably lots of rock slides. A tsunami warning was issued for the island of about 3.9 inches, maybe 4 inches for the island. This probably was a thrust earthquake. Here on Geoscope, you can see the moment tensor ball, and this is what it was happening during that earthquake. Raoul Island has a small inhabitant population. There's no harbor, so the only time you can get there is during times of calm seas. I found an article about landslides during a large earthquake. I believe it was a magnitude 8 in 2021. It says here a series of earthquakes and aftershocks, with the largest being a magnitude 8.1 and a 7.4. Again, this is in 2021. Fortunately, the earthquake at that time struck far from the main island of New Zealand. Therefore, the ground shaking was attenuated. No infrastructure damage or victims associated with the earthquake were reported at that time. Yeah, they had a tsunami warning at that time also. Yeah, I hope everyone there is okay. I don't know what the population is. Yeah, I drew out the fault zone that's subducting, and we got the Indo-Australian Plate, which is moving north, and then we got the Pacific Plate, which is subducting, and that's what forms all these islands. Because of the subduction, this is the area where the Hunga volcanic eruption occurred. So anyways, yeah, what are your thoughts? Put your comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please be safe. Always be prepared for a disaster. And I'll talk to you later. God bless y'all. Bye.